Which one?
Those base theorem, those things. I was looking at those.
Okay, okay,
Yeah.
okay. So let's okay, solve these questions, okay, and in between we'll do the base theorems. Okay, okay,
Okay.
yeah. So we come to the first question. Is this visible to you?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. So they have given consider the example of cascade discussed in the lecture, but with a modification that now the urn is containing either three blue balls. So it has got one, two, three blue balls and one red ball. So this is blue major and this is red major. Three red balls and one blue ball. This is red.
Right.
Okay. So equality with this. So suppose one ball is picked up from the red majority turn. What is the probability that the blue is ball is blue? So here only the your base theorem will come handy. So we have to find probability of ball is blue and it is a red major. Is this okay?
Yes. Mhm.
So we write it as probability of red major over blue. So this is simple. Like this we can directly find out. So what is the
It will be,
probability that we have picked up from the red major and what is the ball
yeah,
is blue? So it will become 1 by
1/4.
okay
Yes.
probability of
Wait.
ball is
What?
red.
Probability of? So
Probability that ball is blue. We have picked up one ball from red major. So red
अच्छा,
major
red
has got
majority. Okay,
yeah
हाँ.
total like a 4
Blue probability
and
of
the probability of
red
blue is
majority
1 by 4. Is that
Mhm.
okay?
1/4.
Yes.
Should it be, suppose that one ball is picked from red majority urn, what is the probability that the ball? Okay, red majority urn is something that is given. So
Yes,
Yes.
this is given.
probability of blue is directly 1/4. Yeah, agreed.
Okay. Then we come
Yeah,
to the
agreed.
next question.
What's the probability urn is red majority? The student draws a red ball.
So now, what is the probability that earn is red majority if the first student draws a red ball? So this we have to find probability that this is red majority. The ball is red. So here it will become probability of red over red major into probability of red major divided by probability of red. Is this okay? This come
Yes.
from base theorem. So base theorem I'll explain here.
Red majority if
Yeah.
student draws a
Probability of A over B is equal to probability of B A into probability of A
Okay.
over of
By,
probability of B.
yeah.
Is this okay? So we
Okay,
have to
Lalit, so
calculate.
let's one.
Yeah.
Can we do it this way? Like, say, they're asking probability that earn is red majority if the student first draws the red ball. So in the
Yes.
numerator, we keep red ball drawing from red majority, which is
Yes.
what, 3/4, divided
Uh,
by
see, this formula will come handy to you. So probability of red over red major is 3 by 4.
3/4.
Probability of red major
Of
is 1
red
by 2.
over, huh?
And probability of red is equal to half into 3 by 4 plus half into 1 by 4.
This is what? This is probability of getting red from either of the two, right?
This is the total probability of red.
Total probability of red, yeah.
Okay, so total probability of red is 1 by 2 by 4 plus 1 by 2 into 1 by 4.
Hmm. Hmm.
Now you put this in the formula. Now probability of red major over R will become 3 by 4 into 1 by 2 divided by 1 by 2. So this will become 3 by 4.
3/4.
Okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
Hmm.
Yeah. Now, so this we had solved yesterday also. That's why it is coming fresh in our mind.
Guess the
So now we go to the next one. Now suppose should the first student guess the urn to be blue 3 by 4? No.
No.
because probability of rad major over rad is 3 by 4, which is 75%. So he will declare it as a red, not the blue red major.
Yes.
Okay,
Hmm.
therefore blue major is no. Now, what is the probability of getting this sequence if the un is a blue majority un? So this sequence okay, they have not written what is the sequence.
It was red, red, blue, no? I think in the
Okay,
other,
okay,
yeah, red,
sorry,
red, blue.
sorry, sorry, sorry.
Yes.
So I didn't copy and paste full. So I will do that. Okay. So now, if we are getting red, red, blue, what is the probability of getting this sequence if the un is blue majority? So blue majority will become 1 by 4 into 1 by 4 into 3 by 4. This is
Right.
for red,
So,
this is for red,
mm,
this is for blue. So this becomes 3 by 60. Okay.
yes.
Without okay, there's no replacement then, right?
There is no replacement. There is a
No.
replacement, no?
No, I'm saying once
You are
you're
taking.
picking a head, it goes back into the urn,
Yes, yes,
right?
it is going
Ah,
back.
otherwise, I was thinking it would be zero. But anyway,
No, no.
okay. So 1 by 4, 3 by 4, which is fine. What is this? What's the probability of getting a second one is red majority?
Red, red, blue. Now from the
So
red
three,
majority. So from red
yeah,
majority will become 3 by 4,
Three
three
by
by
four,
four.
3 by
1 by
4.
4.
Right.
Yeah. So 9 by 64.
These are easier from the like his were
Yes,
a little tougher.
no problem. Actually, yesterday we had solved this, so that's why we are
Yeah, that made
getting
it
this
easy.
easier. है ना?
Mm-hmm.
Now, okay.
Right.
Now, first three students draw the ball in the sequence red, red, blue. What is the total probability? So, total probability will become RRB from blue majority plus half
Yes.
into RRB from red majority.
Red. Right.
True,
So,
true.
this will become half into 1 by 4 into 1
1
by
by
4
4,
into
1 by
3 by
4,
4.
3 by 4, yeah. And 3 by 4, 3 by 4, 1 by 4.
So, this will become 1 by 2, 3 by 64 plus 9 by 64 is equal to half into 12 by 64.
Yeah.
2 6 by 12, 2 3
6.
just 6, 3 by 32. Is that okay?
Yes.
Hmm. Agreed.
Now suppose first three students draw the ball red, red, blue. What is the probability of un being red majority? So this will become probability red major over BBR. This will become probability BBR from red majority into probability of red majority divided by probability of BBR.
Right.
This will become
Acha,
BBR
these,
equal 1 by
for
4 into 1 by,
probability of regenerative to what? Half.
and this is 3 by 32. Okay, 3, say 3 cut
3
gaya.
by 32 from the previous question, right?
Yes.
Yes,
Huh.
from
So
here.
that is the probability of BBR for both the uh, pouch of both the urns, right?
Yes.
Huh.
Now the answer, just hold on. What I did.
3 by 4.
Hmm? P of BBR had come your 1 by 4 into 1 by 4 into 3 by 4.
Into
Probability
half.
of this is 1 by 2.
By 3 by
And this is
32.
come 3 by 32. So this will become 3 over 4. This is 64, 128
1 by
by
4.
3 by 32. This
No,
should
that's
come 1 by 4.
yes, yes. 1 by 4.
Okay. So
Yeah.
this answer is not correct.
Probability of one. Okay.
You're
It
doing
was
it correct
rate
now?
majority
Oh,
or
sorry,
blue
sorry,
majority. It
sorry,
was
sorry,
9
sorry,
by, yeah, yeah, yeah. It
sorry,
was.
sorry, sorry. They are
No, it's
asking
fine.
red, red, blue.
Yes, yes.
We have calculated for blue, blue, red.
Blue, blue, red. Yeah.
So we have to be slightly careful now.
Red, red, blue.
So it will be 3 by 4, 3 by 4, 1 by 4.
3 by 4, 3 by 4, 1 by 4 halves. Yes.
Yes.
And
By 3 by 30.
3 by 32.
Yeah. Yeah, that won't change, no?
This is for RRB only.
Was
Okay.
that for RRB? Okay, that was for RRB. Fine, fine. Yeah.
Yeah.
So 4, 4, 16 to 32. Niche 4, 3 by 4. Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. To this question. There are three suites are running in an election for most popular suite, and this is from voting. Voting.
Mhm.
And what is the
Right.
plurality method? Okay. This is from week 7, week 8.
Week 8, no?
Plurality is from, I think, week 7. Okay, this is the. We had covered this yesterday. Okay, this is the plurality voting. Okay.
Yes.
The candidate who's top ranked by the most voters.
Okay.
So see, number of votes in thousands, rankings. What is this ranking? Anybody
Rankings
knows?
like first choice, second choice, third choice. No, oh, no, that I don't know.
Okay.
22.
See, this. There are three suites are running an election for the most popular suite: Gulab Jamun, Malpua, and Balushah.
Maybe that is the number
Okay.
of people who want that order.
Yes,
I
yes,
think
yes. So see,
44 people want GMB. So maybe. Yeah.
Yes, yes, right, right.
So
So
if
for
plurality is
okay,
candidate who's
G
top rank.
is G will become 44 plus 14 plus 20.
Yeah.
yeah,
Yeah. 60, 78.
seven
G is 78, M
M is
is
92.
92, and B is 119.
Right. So B will be there.
Hey, B 119, M is 128.
Okay, sorry, sorry, sorry. I made a mistake.
M
M is 70 plus 22.
70 plus 22, yeah, 92. And B is 80. Acha, okay, fine. 119.
Therefore, that will be
B, candidate was, B is the winner, yeah.
okay. So we are
Yes.
right. Okay, let's go to the next one. Now, suppose there are
Yeah.
four alternatives.
This is the board account.
Yeah, pod account. And what they are
So
asking
we have
using word account, the group ranking will be what? So see what we have to do in this. How to do that? We have to see B over C how many times?
Hmm.
what over what? B over
Two
C.
times.
Yeah, B over C is
Two
two
times.
times.
Hmm.
C over D
Is two times.
two times.
Hmm. D over A is three times.
D over A is three times.
Hmm.
And A
A
over
over
B,
two times.
B is two times. No. In the border count, kya, we had learnt one thing. In the okay. Sorry, this kya, I'm using the for the when we use what kya, majority rule. But in the border
Oh,
count, what do we do?
we need to rank, like
Yes.
give
So
ranks.
we say this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 0, 1, 2, 3, 0, 1, 2, 3. So for B, we will get 3 plus 0 plus 1, 4.
Mm.
C, we will get 2 plus 3 plus 0 is equal to
Zero.
5.
Yeah.
D is equal to 1
One,
plus 2
two,
plus 3
three.
is equal to 6. And A, we get 0 plus 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. So from here, what do we get? D
D
is
D
preferred
C
over
B A.
C, B, and okay.
Yeah.
Is that okay?
Yeah, this is an easier approach. Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, this is the from the conceptual part here. This has come. Border count ignoring ties always produces a complete transitive ranking for a set of alternatives. This is true. And this is not if in this case, okay, if they would have given majority ranking, then it is false. Okay.
Okay.
Majority ranking will give like a group, not transitive. We had seen that yesterday.
Yes.
Okay, but for border count, it is true. Outcome in border count depends on the presence of alternatives that seem irrelevant. This is also true. We had seen yesterday example of that Messi. You remember?
Yes. Yes.
Pele and Maradona were there, and Pele won. As soon as we introduced Messi, sorry, Maradona won. Okay,
Right.
so this is also true. So both one and two are true. Okay, this is
Gale
again the
Safety.
question. Gail Shapley. This is an interesting one. This
Yeah.
looks good. So I will cover the steps. So step one, what do we do? First we write the choices. So write
Right.
for A, B, C, D. Okay. For
Hmm.
B, C, A, D, B. For C, C, D, D, A. For small d, B, A, C, D. Okay. Similarly, we write for small a and small b. So this we can refer. So for A is
Why are
C,
you doing
B.
small d here?
Huh?
Small d. Why are you doing small d?
Sorry,
Yeah.
that was a mistake. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. Yes.
Then B is B, A, C, D. For this is B, D, A, C. And this is C, A, D, B. Okay. And what they are writing when the man proposed to woman. So what we'll do, second step, this is one. Step two, for example. We write A, B, C, D. And now we find A whose A nobody will propose because A is nobody's first choice. B will be proposed by B and C. C will be proposed by A and D will be proposed by none. Now we see BC. We go to
Hmm.
B, we see which is the higher preference. So it will struck B. So this is time step one.
Wait. Why are we? How are we taking this decision?
Because in the
Because
Because
left
see,
side table.
C comes first in the
small
picture.
b, small b and C they have proposed to B, but
Hmm.
this is the B ka priority. B's
Ah.
priority is C, number
Acha,
one.
B will prioritize C over B because C is coming in the steps first.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Okay. Similarly, we go to C, A, D.
C.
A,
A,
D. So he will reject A.
We'll cancel
A will
A.
be
Okay.
cancelled. Yeah.
So in the second, okay, what will happen? Now B has been rejected, so B will go to her his next okay. So
A.
B will come here. Here
Okay.
is C, and where A will go? A will go to
A
B.
go to B.
Okay. So next we
Yeah.
get here.
C
So
A.
now C B for B. C B again okay, B will be rejected.
Why B
Is
for
that
C?
okay?
I mean,
B was rejected already. Why did we write it in the
it will be
second?
A. It
Okay.
will be A.
Okay. Sorry. I made a mistake. Sorry.
That will be only C, right?
This B came here. A will come here.
Hmm.
This
Hmm.
A had gone to C. After that, it will come to B.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Now B, C, B, A, C. It will reject A.
Hmm.
Now A will go to D,
Right.
and we get a. Now there is no further step. So in three time steps, we have got the matching. So we have got the matching A, B, B, C, D, and D. You can check the what they're asking in the question.
Yes. So A will be B. A's
A will
choice
be
will be
matched
B.
with B.
Yes.
A will be matched with B. So this is our correct. Okay. Now the second part is B will be
B
matched
will
with
be
4.
matrix. Oh, all the
B
questions
will
are
be with
coming
C.
here only.
Yeah. The half marks,
So
basically.
So that will be 4 marks.
so B
No,
अपना
half.
C के पास में आ गया है ना.
Mm-hmm.
Hmm. B, C, then that'll be D.
Then C will be matched with
G.
D. So C is matched with D. Okay. This is also correct. And D will be matched with A. So all our this is. So ये आपके समझ में आ गया है पूरा. और अगर यही
Yeah.
ये कोड देते हैं, अगर ये बोल देते हैं कि women are proposing to men, how we would have done this?
We would have written the sequence for women first and then worked accordingly instead of.
Yeah,
Then यहाँ
the
पर हम क्या
first step
करते
would
हैं, यहाँ
be
पे
small ABCD.
ये
Hmm.
स्मॉल एबीसीडी कर देते हैं इसको, है ना.
Yes.
स्टेप्स में
Right.
स्मॉल ABCD फिर हाइफन देके कैपिटल में सीक्वेंस लिखना है ना.
यस
Yes.
यस.
So in that case, instead
ओके.
of taking columns, you would have taken rows, I guess.
यस यस.
Ah, okay.
Okay, now we come to the next question.
This is probably from week 1 to 4.
Yeah. These were
इस
the.
दमा तो
And this is from week 5.
Oh,
ये वाला
is
जो
it?
है ना, ये वाला ये वीक 5 का है.
ये
that
देख के
defect.
अच्छा लग
पहले
रहा है.
तो नहीं बिकॉज के इन वीक 5 आल्सो दे स्टार्ट विद दिस ओनली
अच्छा, they
एंड
have
फर्दर
mentioned
के
it
दे.
in 5 as well. Yes, yes.
Yes, yes. So this we know that in
Women.
this we get defect. So this we can do by
Yes.
best response method. So we see for best response is
One
here
one.
and here,
अच्छा,
and
wait.
when
Why
we
are
see
we?
for here, two, oh, sorry, 3 and 0 0.
Uh,
So यहाँ
Wait,
पर तो
wait.
आपका उल्टा आ गया.
It was 1 1 1.
Okay, sorry, 1 1. Then a cat will not be there. So then we get this is the
अच्छा,
डिफेक्ट।
how is it
ओके,
becoming the Nash equilibrium for the first player? Uh, he has a better
तो
choice in three, right?
नहीं
Yeah.
नहीं, देखो, नेक्स्ट नेक्स्ट इक्विलिब्रियम कैसे निकालते हैं, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल ये मैं बता देता हूँ, बहुत शॉर्टकट है इसका निकालने का। वन
Mm-hmm.
वन है, तो हम क्या करते हैं, पहले इसका बेस्ट रिस्पॉन्स देखते हैं यूजर वन का। तो यूजर
हाँ.
वन का हम कॉलम वाइज देखेंगे। तो
Mm-hmm.
इसका बेस्ट रिस्पॉन्स क्या है, 3 आ गया और यहाँ पर 1 आ गया।
E1. हाँ. Second call. Second row.
फिर 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 2 का हम रो वाइज देखते हैं। तो इसका 3 आ गया, इसका 1 आ गया।
2301. अच्छा, बेस्ट रिस्पॉन्स
ओके,
अगर दोनों सेम सेल में है तो दैट मीन्स इट्स अ नैश, राइट?
हाँ, और अगर इसको आप चेक करेंगे, why 1 1 is a Nash equilibrium, because user 1 would not like to go here.
हाँ, आई वाज थिंकिंग अबाउट द स्विचिंग वन, तो वन, अच्छा, फर्स्ट यूजर विल चेक अप डाउन एंड सेकंड यूजर विल चेक लेफ्ट राइट।
Yes,
यस,
ठीक है,
मैंने उल्टा चेक
so
किया।
1 1 is a,
या।
now we come to next part। अब इसमें ये कॉन्सेप्ट से आ जाता है, ये बहुत इजी है कि अगर आपका एक यूनिक नेस इक्विलिब्रियम होता है एंड एनी नंबर ऑफ रिपीटेडली फाइनाइट गेम्स अगर आप खेलते हैं, तो योर एनी रिमेन्स सेम। ओके,
या, ये तो फिर वैसे ही हो गया जैसे वी वर एक्चुअली मेकिंग द एनी, राइट? कि पहले यूजर वन चलो फिर यूजर टू चलो।
एंड पे ऑफ जो होता है, पे ऑफ इज ऑलवेज एन इनटू पे ऑफ इनिशियल पे ऑफ। ठीक है, ये जैसे याद कर लीजिए।
एन इंटू पे ऑफ इनिशियल पे ऑफ।
जैसे इनिशियल आपका 1 1 था, तो
हम्म।
सेकंड में ये 2 2 हो जाएगा, थर्ड थर्ड में 3 3 हो जाएगा। ओके,
अच्छा, डिपेंडिंग ऑन द नंबर ऑफ टाइम्स यू आर प्लेइंग द गेम, इज इट?
यस। नाउ इसमें
ओके।
इन दिस क्वेश्चन व्हाट दे हैव ट्विस्टेड, दे हैव इंट्रोड्यूस्ड इंग्लिश। So they are asking, in the last period, corporate is a dominant strategy irrespective of the history of the game. So we know dominant तो आपका यही है जहाँ पे नाश इक्विलिब्रियम आपको मिल रहा है 1 1,
वो तो कॉर्पोरेट है नहीं।
है ना। तो आपका
हाँ।
जो है इन द लास्ट पीरियड डिफेक्ट इज ए डोमिनेंट स्ट्रेटेजी।
हम्म,
ओके, कॉर्पोरेट आपका कभी भी नहीं होगा।
कभी भी नहीं होगा। या।
ठीक है, तो इन द लास्ट पीरियड डिफेक्ट इज अ डोमिनेंट स्ट्रेटजी irrespective of the history of the game। Now this is not true. Why this is in the last period, defect is a dominant strategy for a particular game history। So ये particular game history नहीं है, ये सभी history के लिए this is this। तो ये just
हर बार
this is
हर बार डिफेक्ट
this
डिफेक्ट
is
ही आएगा। या।
okay। So
Okay.
they are playing with the language। Now we come to this question। ये बेस थ्योरम का क्वेश्चन है, ये वो है अपना गर्ल्स एंड बॉयज वाला। विजिबल है अभी, विजिबल।
Yes.
Okay.
या।
Consider a variant of situation model by battle of sexes। So there are two types of girls. One is meet and one is avoid। Okay. One player one is unsure whether player two prefers to go out with her or pretends to avoid her. Whereas player two has before knows player one's preferences. Specifically, player one thinks that with probability half, two would want to go, probability half want to avoid her। The situation is depicted। तो same है जो आपका lecture से है। This is player one, this is player two, this is player one, this is player two। So this is the case of incomplete information जो होता है वो है।
Hmm.
And I think this same question was there in the GA also। They have straight away picked up from GA ना।
Right.
Okay। So
Hopefully
now,
quiz 2 में भी ऐसे
okay,
हो जाए।
now तो इसमें हम क्या करते हैं, इसको हम B1 S1 कर लेते हैं, इसको B2 S2 कर लेते हैं। ओके, एंड ये बी ऐसे ही रहता है। सो होता क्या है, हाउ टू सॉल्व दिस क्वेश्चन, अगर मान लो कि ड्यूरिंग एग्जाम वी फॉरगेट, नेचर विल डिसाइड दैट हाफ जो गर्ल्स हैं दे आर मीट टाइप एंड हाफ आर अवॉइड टाइप। ओके, नाउ गर्ल कम्स, girl will either go for B1 or she will go for S1, she will go for B2 or she will go for S2। Now come for boy, 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 boy. Boy has got only two choices, B or S. B or
Oh,
S. B or S. B or S. Okay?
so the girl has four choices and the boy
Yes.
has three.
Okay, only these choices. Now see, for the mid type of girl, अगर B1 B है, so what is the payback? 3-1.
Right.
अगर B1S है, तो then S1 है. For example, B1S, तो then it is 0-0.
Mm-hmm.
S1B है, S1B is again 0-0. S1S है, S1S is 1-3. Okay. Now we come to
Yeah.
our type. B2B is 3-0.
3-0, yeah.
Yes.
B2S is 0-1.
0-1.
S2B is S2B
Zero
is
three
0-3.
0-3.
And this is 1-0.
and 1-0.
1-0.
Okay. So now इसमें what we can write again. Now this is BBB. So this BBB जो है, this is nothing but BB1 and BB2. Okay.
Okay, okay.
So BB1 का क्या है, 3-1 है. So
Mm-hmm.
half into 3-1 plus half into BB2 क्या है आपका 3-0.
Yes.
So this will become 3-1/2.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
Following table. So what they have asked again now, question में find out the value of A. A का इन्होंने पूछा है किसका, expected payoff of only player 1 का. Okay. Expected, this is of only player A. So for player A क्या हो जाएगा, P. Is this okay? In the
Yeah.
question they have asked only the expected payoff for player 1. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
B का कैसे निकालेंगे, अब B का हो जाएगा B1 and S1.
Yes.
BB1, BS1, huh?
Okay.
BB1 is 3-1.
Okay, just hold on. I think I have made a mistake. मैं आपको इधर कवर कर देता हूँ. जो गर्ल की जो स्ट्रेटेजीज हैं वो हैं B1 B2 B1S2 BS1 B2 एंड S1 S2. ओके. सो ये जो है ये है B1 B2, ये है B1 S2, ये है S1 B2 and this is S1 S2. Is that okay?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, so we come here B1 S2. So B1 S2 का मतलब क्या हो गया, B1 and B S2.
BS2.
So B1 क्या हो जाएगा, 3-1 हो जाएगा.
3-1.
And B S2 क्या हो जाएगा आपका,
0-3.
S2B. S2B is 0-3.
0-3, huh?
0.
0-3. इसको हाफ कर दीजिए, इसको हाफ कर दीजिए, एड दैट.
1.5 for
ये हो
the.
जाएगा 3/2 and 2. Okay. So B will become 3/2. Similarly इसको कैलकुलेट कर सकते हैं. That we can do that क्या, or you want me to calculate?
No, we can do it.
नहीं नहीं, ये हो जाएगा.
है ना. तो ये वाला जो मैंने जो बनाया है इसको याद रखना. अगर मान लो कि ड्यूरिंग एग्जाम में अगर हम भूल भी जाते हैं तो स्ट्रेटजी इसको बना के आपका इजीली वी कैन सॉल्व दिस.
ग्राफ बनाना जरूरी है.
या सो ए हमारा सही आया है, बी हमारा सही आया है, देखो है ना.
1.2, हाँ.
उसको लिख लेते हैं यहाँ पर. दिस इज करेक्ट, बी इज करेक्ट. सी का निकाल लेते हैं. चलो नो सी कहां पर है हमारा, सी यहां पर है. सो
So
और सी,
B, yeah,
सी क्या है अपना, बी एस वन
BS1 plus B2.
बी बी टू। ओके, सो बी एस वन हमारा कहाँ से मिलेगा,
0 0
एस वन बी 0 0
0 second. 3 0.
plus 3
एंड बी
0.
बी टू हो गया 30,
1.5.
1.5 होगा आंसर.
इसका भी 3/2। ओके, चेक कर लेते हैं इसको, 1.5, ठीक है।
Yeah.
नाउ दे हैव आस्क्ड क्या, डी, डी का भी निकाल देते हैं अभी। डी कहाँ पर है हमारा, फॉर डी विल बी, फॉर डी बी एस वन बी एस टू,
BS1
है ना।
BS2. Hmm.
तो बी एस
B
वन हमारा
0
क्या है, बी एस वन 0 0
0 0.
एंड बी
and
एस
0
टू
0.
इज 0 3।
0 3.
So
0
half 0 0 plus half 0 3. So this will become 0 3/2. Okay. Therefore D is equal to 0. Find the P. So this also we can calculate. Now for P, P में क्या है हमारा, देखो P में है S,
B1
SB1,
SB2.
SB2,
Hmm.
SB1 क्या है हमारा, SB1 is 0 0
0 Hmm.
and SB2 है 0 1।
Yeah.
So this becomes 0 and 1/2
0 1
is
by
equal
2.
to Q. For Q है
Is
हमारा,
B1 and is 2. No.
Q is SB1 S2।
Yeah.
ST1 SS2. हाँ.
So SB1 यहाँ से हम देखेंगे, SB1 is 0 0
Yes.
0 0.
and S2 is 1 0।
SS2 1 0. हाँ.
तो
So
ये
ये
हो
half.
जाएगा आपका 1/2
Half.
and 0।
Hmm.
तो बाकी मैं कैलकुलेट नहीं कर रहा, बाकी डिफरेंट हो जाता है
Yes.
नहीं ठीक है, आगे बढ़ो. 2 ही है वैसे. Let's go.
जिस पर कंप्लीटनेस पर्पस मैं इसको पेस्ट कर देता हूँ। डी का एक और निकाल लेते हैं ना, so for D is BS1 SS1 SS2।
Lalit, your voice is breaking.
Okay, just hold on. There's a better way of taking off.
Okay.
SS1 and SSS2. Now, am I audible?
Yeah, it's a
SS1
bit better.
1/3
Yeah. Yes. Yes.
and 1 3 and 1 0.
1 3 and 1 0. That is 2 3. So 1.
ठीक है?
हाँ.
Okay. Let's jump to the next question. Okay, so what is the Bayesian-Nash equilibrium in this game? ये बहुत है, तो इसमें फिर से हम बेस्ट रिस्पॉन्स कर लेते हैं, पता है? तो
Okay.
इसमें हम क्या करेंगे, इसके लिए हमें ये वाली वैल्यू निकालनी पड़ेगी। What is the Bayes-Nash equilibrium? ये वाला। तो अब हमने जितनी वैल्यूज निकाली है, अभी हमने क्या नहीं निकाला था, R नहीं निकाला था, तो R का भी निकाल लेते हैं।
टेबल को
R will
पॉपुलेट
become Yeah, R will become
SS1
SS1,
equal to
SP2. SS1
S1
is
SB2
SS1 is 1 3,
13
and
SB2 is 01
SB2 is 01 1301.
1301 14 so 0.5
1 by 2 and 2. अब ये वाला जो है इसको पॉपुलेट कर लेते हैं.
hmm.
उसको थोड़ा बड़ा कर लेते हैं. अब यहाँ पे सारी वैल्यूज लिख लेते हैं. तो हमारा ए क्या आया था, ए जो हमने कैलकुलेट किया था, और ए ये हमने कहाँ पर निकाला था.
ए वेट बी बी वही तो टेबल के नीचे राइट में B1 वही वाला
हाँ ये था. ए
हाँ
3 1 by 2 आया था, है ना.
3 हाँ
बी बी
3
वन
1
बी बी,
हाँ
है ना. और
हम्म,
बी का हमने फुल नहीं निकाला था. बी का क्या था हमारा, बी बस बी बी वन
B1
बी एस
BS2
टू, ये रहा 3/2 है ना. तो 3 1 by 2 3/2 2 3 1 by 2. So this is 3 1 by 2 3 by 2 2 3 by 2. सी का हमने निकाला था 3/2 एंड 0.
0
3/2 0. एंड डी का हमने निकाला था 0 3/2.
0 3/2 हाँ
फिर हमने निकाला पी.
P
पी का 0 1/2.
1/2
क्यू इज 1/2 0.
1/2 0 yeah
R is 1/2
1/2
एंड टी हमने निकाला 1 3/2.
1 3/2
तो इसमें फिर से हम क्या करेंगे, बेस्ट रिस्पॉन्स करेंगे. तो बेस्ट रिस्पॉन्स यहाँ पे 3 है, यहाँ पे 3/2 है, यहाँ पे 3/2 है, और यहाँ पे 1 है. और जब हम यहाँ पर देखेंगे तो यहाँ पर 2 है, और यहाँ पे 1/2 0 2 2,
2
यहाँ पे 2. सो
2
व्हाट इज द नेक्स्ट इक्विलिब्रियम हमारा मिल गया,
BBS
बी बी वन बी एस टू.
BBS BS2
इसको हम क्या लिख सकते हैं, बी बी एस ऑल्सो. ओके, सो आपका ये रहा आंसर. ठीक है.
nice yeah
सो ओके, नाउ कंसिडर द फॉलोइंग स्ट्रेटेजिक गेम्स एंड आंसर द फॉलोइंग. थोड़ा लंबा पेपर है हल्का सा, बट दे आर
Yes.
चेकिंग ऑल द concepts again of all the weeks.
Right.
Yeah. So these are two games. First game. और कौन से सब्जेक्ट्स हैं आपके इसमें?
मेरे
I have four
corporate
subjects.
Four.
GT, yeah, GT, CF, LLM, and DL.
Yeah, I got GT and LLM only in this term. Okay. So any of the game one. ये तो इजी है, बहुत इजी निकल जाएगा. Any of the game one, उसमें हम बेस्ट रिस्पॉन्स करेंगे, सिंपल है.
XX होना चाहिए.
ये आ जाएगा यहाँ पर आपका बेस्ट रिस्पॉन्स. यहाँ पर इसका देखो 3 आ गया, यहाँ पे दोनों 0 0 है इसका, और यहाँ पर आपका इसका जो है इसका 3 है, और यहाँ पे इसका 0 0 है। तो दोनों हो गए आपके, एक्स एक्स भी हो गया एंड एक्स वाई भी हो गया। सॉरी सॉरी,
वेट वेट वेट, क्यों 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 क्यों?
यहाँ पे मैंने गलती कर दी, यहाँ पे गलती कर
वाई
दी।
वाई तो नहीं होगा।
ये यहाँ पे 3 आ गया, यहाँ पे 0 आ जाएगा, है ना?
अब फर्स्ट प्लेयर
तो
का अगर हम देखें तो 3 इज द
हाँ,
बेस्ट रेस्पॉन्स, राइट?
यस। चलो मैं फिर से कर देता हूँ।
सेकंड
अगर
प्लेयर का
फर्स्ट प्लेयर का अगर आप देखेंगे तो ऊपर
हाँ
से नीचे देखते हैं,
हाँ
तो इस
हाँ
केस में इसका 3 है और इस केस में इसका दोनों है।
हाँ, दोनों है, राइट।
Okay. Now we go for this player. In this case, he has got 3, and in this case, he has got both.
इन
Okay?
दिस अच्छा, हाँ,
Okay.
इक्वल वाला भी तो देखेंगे, राइट?
हाँ, तो ये वाला, तो ये दोनों आपके
दोनों
एनीज हो गए।
होंगे, yeah.
तो एक्स एक्स एंड वाई वाई आर योर एनीज।
Two.
Any of the game 2 is गेम 2 को ले लेते हैं यहाँ पर।
Same
फॉलो
thing,
द
x square and 1 switch.
मेथोडोलॉजी 3 2,
Hmm,
और
yeah,
यहाँ पे इसका 3 और यहाँ पे 2।
2
ओके,
दोनों होंगे,
तो यहाँ पे इसका क्या हो गया, एक्स एक्स एंड वाई वाई।
y y.
ओके, now he is asking evolutionary stable strategy ESS in the game is what? So उसको हम कैसे करते हैं ESS को? ESS हमारा किसका है, वीक 5 में, इफ आई एम नॉट रॉन्ग वी हैड रिवाइज दिस। सो हम ESS में क्या करेंगे, इन द गेम 1, गेम 1 पहले हम यहाँ से ले लेते हैं। ESS में हम क्या करते हैं, ESS इज लाइक द जेनेटिक, वो जो कॉकरोच वाला एग्जांपल था, स्मॉल कॉकरोच बिग कॉकरोच। सो एक हमारी जो क्वांटिटी वो है वो x में आएगा, y, और ये 1 माइनस एक्स में आता है, और इसको p लिख लेते हैं हम, जस्ट टू अवॉइड द कंफ्यूजन। ये p क्वांटिटी में आएगा और ये 1 माइनस p में आएगा। नाउ वी सी कि जो पे ऑफ है x का कितना होता है। ओके, सो इन दिस केस है क्या, x पे ऑफ विल बी हाउ मच है क्या, this will be 3 1 minus p plus 0 for x. For y will
Right.
be 0 into 1 minus p plus 0 is equal to 0.
Yes.
And this is 3 minus p. Now p is between 1 and 0. Therefore, therefore, this 3 minus p is a positive number.
Yes.
Okay. Therefore, जो x है, pay of x is greater than payoff of y.
Right.
So therefore, your what is the ESS strategy क्या आएगी आपकी, x आ जाएगी।
Okay. So we will take y at this part as p and this part as 1 minus p.
Yes, ये ESS के लिए, ठीक है।
Okay.
So for ESS always follow this. Okay. Similarly, we can do for the game 2 also. Now for the game 2, you write okay, this for example q, and this is 1 minus q. So here pay of x will be 3 into 1 minus q plus 0 is equal to 3 minus 3q. ओके, ये हमने यहाँ पे एक गलती कर दी थी, ये 3 माइनस 3p था,
Yeah.
3 माइनस 3, ये 3 माइनस 3 क्यों आ गया, payoff from y will be 0 plus 2
2. 2p or 2q.
2p. So for x, अगर x करना है तो 3 minus 3q should be greater than equal to 2q.
Yes.
Okay, 3 is greater than equal to 5q and q is less than equal to 3 by 5. q जो है वो हमारा 3 by 5 से लेस ही है. जो q है, q is in this range.
Yes.
ओके, सो अगर q 3 by 5 से नीचे है तो कैन आई से आई कैन टेक q is equal to 0. For q is equal to 0, payoff of x will be how much? 3. And payoff of y will be how much?
2.
Will be 2. 2 नहीं, 0 हो जाएगा ना for q is equal to 0.
Yes.
Okay, so for q, अगर q is less than 3 by 5 है, then x is the strategy. Okay, if q is equal to 3 by 5 है, then both x and y is the strategy. ये हमने- और अगर q is greater than 3 by 5 है, then y is the strategy. Yes, yes.
Okay.
Okay, let's see again what they are given. So, evolutionary stable strategy in game 2 are. So, what they have considered is equal to 3 by 5 wala jo scenario hai. If q is equal to 3 by 5, then both x and y they become the evolutionary strategy. ये जो ईएसएस वाला जो है, ये वीक 5 के जो
Hmm.
मेरे नोट्स है उसमें प्लीज गो थ्रू दैट सो यू विल अंडरस्टैंड ये
Okay.
वाला पार्ट.
Okay.
ओके,
Okay.
बट क्या ये वाला जो पार्ट है, दिस डिपेंड्स ऑन द वैल्यू ऑफ क्यू. दिस वैल्यू डिपेंड्स ऑन क्यू.
But if they doesn't give the value of q or mentioned it, then how can we
देन
know that?
क्यू जनरली क्या होता है कि ये वाला जो हमारा ये जो पार्ट होता है, दिस इज
Mhm.
क्यू इज वेरी वेरी स्मॉल जनरली.
Okay. Mhm.
द एग्जाम्पल आई विल जस्ट एक्सप्लेन हियर. वहां से उन्होंने एग्जाम्पल कैसे एक्सप्लेन किया था कि आपका एक देयर इज अ हैबिटेट जिसमें आपके स्मॉल स्मॉल कॉकरोचेस हैं. ओके, और
Okay.
इसमें एक बड़ा कॉकरोच है क्या, इट एंटर्स, देन हाउ कैन ही सर्वाइव. सेकंड एग्जांपल था कि बड़े बड़े कॉकरोचेस हैं एंड अ स्मॉल नंबर ऑफ अ स्मॉल कॉकरोच एंटर्स. So in this case, what happens over a period of time, the big cockroach they develop. In this case, he is small, so he diminishes. Only bade hi rehte hain.
Yeah. Right.
That was the example. So that's why this value of p and this value of q jo hai, they are very very small numbers. P and q
Okay.
are very very small. Okay. So with that, okay, we have finished. Okay, we have got only one PIQ. Now, does
Mm.
anybody wants to discuss anything? Hi, Rahul. Good evening.
Hi, good evening.
Hi. Yeah. So, you want to cover a base theorem again, or we have done that?
I'm gonna go. So thank you
I
for
need to
that.
go to. I have to have a session for corporate finance from 7
Yeah.
to 8.
Same.
Okay. Chalo, wish you all
So
the very best. Thanks for joining in. Bye bye. Have a nice
Thank
day.
you.
thank
Bye.
you. All the best
Bye.
to you too. Thank you.